Okay, it's Kane's Designs, and we're doing our video on my claw machine, which has been newly restuffed with trash packs. They're little squishy stuff, sort of like Squinkies. So, they're really light and good material, so let's get playing. One for that, good dude. Okay, we got him. I'm just going to keep him in the parachute. Because, oh, I missed. There's a ton of them in here. I have a ton. That guy's kind of filthy. Okay. Boo dropped it there. And, oh, almost a 2-in-1. Hooked him in that little, like, story thing. Got the guy by the head. They're really light. Surprising. Oh, I missed them. Ooh, so close. Oh, he hooked him. Oh, 2-in-1. Oh, he dropped. That's 2-in-1. Oh, hooked him in like the taily thing. Oh, he flung in. Ha. Huh. Toilet guy. Toilet guy. Here. Ooh, and the loopy thing. It's cool. Ooh. Oh, and a loopy thing again. Oh, nothing that time. Oh, we almost had him. Go for him again. Oh, that was perfect. Go have to take them out. Spill them out, okay. Oh, I missed them. Oh, we got him. Stay. Here we go. Spill out, spill out. Oh, it's a 2-in-1. But never. Never, never, never. Oh, barely got him. He goes in. Drop him. Oh, so close. But no cigar. I made it. I'm making it so it's pretty strong. So, these guys are very light, so. Oh, they were like rolled in. Ooh, stabbed them. And got nothing. Come on, 2-in-1, baby. Oh, 2-in-1, stay. Yes, we got 2-in-1. It's a ducky and a toilet guy again. I don't know if trash packs are still available. I think they're at Toys R Us and Target, but they used to be a fad. Well, at my school at least, because kids were obsessed, or at least in my class. Yeah, being really specific. So I got all these, but then wasted money. Or at least they're coming to a good use now. Because I get to do a video and restuff them. Okay, one last play. 2-in-1. Okay, these are all the stuff we got. Trash bags. I don't know how much we got. We're not going to take the time to count. This is my second video on my claw machine. Thanks for watching. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe.